Yeah, this is the try to get the not the single, just what you do, just do what you do, man. Just focus what you do, just all. Just be creative, just work on yourself. Just do what you do all the time, that's all. Don't get too much new stuff. Always just don't have to look at the camera, just get your focus in and get it sorted. Just get it in.
What do you want to do? Five 3-minute or 18 minutes. We can drive it, you just like 3.
Keep moving in a circle, go around, don't fight only one position. Engage blocking as well, not only attacking.